Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you're going to hook up a battery voltmeter so you can see how much battery you have left. So you can see we already have ours installed. Once you return the key, you can see we have pretty much a full battery, but you'll be able to see now how much battery you have when you go out and drive around. You're not worrying about like, hey, how low is my battery? Now you're going to know. So our first thing they're going to do is we're going to remove 3 bolts. So get your Allen wrench set out, remove that one there, this one over here, and then there's the top one up here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to remove those, and I'll continue when we get back. All right. Once we have all 3 of those screws removed, this just comes nice and down here. And you can see they already have a spot. There's these metal, not metal, but these plastic tabs here. So I just used a 1.5 bit, drilled a hole, and that's how I slid that sensor into there. And then I used water sealant around it to kind of just seal it in there nice and good. Now on this particular golf cart, there was already wiring for like a battery meter already to this spot. So if you don't have that already, you're going to need to run a negative and a positive wire all the way to your main battery terminals and hook those up. And then you can just hook them up to the positive and then one to the negative right from the batteries. And then this C battery, you're going to actually want to wire it up to your ignition power. So when you turn the key, it provides power to say, hey, turn this on, because now the person that's about to use the golf cart is about to take off. So feed 12 volts to this to power this on. So that's why when I turn the key here, once I get my key back in, you can see it turn on because we have it wired up to the on position. So you can see as soon, so because you don't want this on all the time, because obviously when you're not using it, you don't want it on. Like I said, if you don't have power already, because this was already pre-wired here, we're just 2 wires just sitting here, and I'm like, what are these for? And I hooked them up to my meter, and I was getting 12 volts out of both wires, so why not use it? But if you don't have the additional wires here, then you need to just run your own red wire and black wire underneath the baseboard here into your batteries. And you're going to want to connect one to the positive in here and the other one to the negative battery like you see here. So if you don't have that, then that's where you need to run some wires to. But that's it, you guys. Once you do that, it's very simple. This power meter is only about 20 bucks, $25 on Amazon. The link to that will be in the description of the video. Thanks to you guys for watching. That's how you install a battery meter to your 48 volt golf cart.